In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and unarchive contacts in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to temporarily remove contacts from your active audience and how to bring them back when you need them. First, sign into Mailchimp and open the audience section. Go to contacts so you can see the list of people in your audience. Find the contact you want to archive and open their profile. On the contacts page, look for the archive option. Depending on your view, this may appear as a button or within an actions menu. Click archive to start the process. Mailchimp will ask you to confirm. You'll see a prompt that requires you to type the word archive. Type it exactly as shown, then click archive to complete it. That moves the contact into your archived list. Archiving is a safe way to clean up your audience. Archived contacts won't receive campaigns and typically don't count toward billing, but their history, tags, and data are preserved. It's a great option for inactive or outdated contacts, and it can be undone at any time. Now let's bring an archived contact back. Head back to your audience contacts page, locate the More Options dropdown at the top of the contacts view, and open it. From that menu, choose Archived Contacts. This switches your view to Everyone Currently Archived. Select the contact you want to restore. If you're bringing back more than one, you can select multiple at once. When you're ready, click Unarchive All. A confirmation box will appear, and you'll be asked to type the word unarchive. Enter it exactly, and then click Unarchive to finalize. The contact is now returned to your active audience. Their previous data, including tags and history, remains intact. If the contact was subscribed before archiving, they'll be eligible to receive emails again. If they had previously unsubscribed, unarchiving will not resubscribe them. They will remain unsubscribed unless they opt in again. A few quick tips as you work. Archiving is different from deleting. Deleting permanently removes a contact and can't be undone, while archiving is reversible and preserves data. If you don't see the archived contacts view, make sure you're in the correct audience and that you have the right permissions for your account. And when typing archive or unarchive, be precise. Mailchimp uses that as a safety check to prevent accidental changes. That's it. You've learned how to archive a contact in Mailchimp and how to unarchive them when you need them back. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.